As physical therapy private practice owners, it's important to remember why we became physical therapists. It's all about help. It's all about giving hope. It's all about restoring people's lives. Staying steadfast to our higher purpose is not an easy feat. Declining insurance reimbursements, bureaucratic regulations, and hospital takeovers offer us a challenge to conquer. We persevere because of our entrepreneurial spirit, our vision for a better future, and our passion for what we do. This year's HODS Practice of the Year Award goes to two extraordinary pioneers who exemplify the gumption and passion it takes to bring their love and business savvy beyond 2020. HODS physical therapists are trained to see and treat their patients' pain by using the most modern diagnostic tools today, including MSK-US ultrasound and EMG. Our 2019 HODS Practice of the Year Award winners bravely faced the eye of the storm in order to elevate their private practice. The HODS 2019 Practice of the Year goes to Angie and Joe McGilvery. As every physical therapist knows, our passion for helping others is founded upon love. Angie and Joe had shared a dream to become physical therapists, and when the biggest challenge hit their door, they decided to transform the desperation of a hurricane disaster to inspiration.
It's rare that you find somebody that at 15 and 17 that they know what they want to do, and we both did, and it was physical therapy. So I think we've always had a passion for the physical therapy world.
We live here in Southwest Florida, and that there's a chance for tropical storms and hurricanes.
We went from a thriving practice to all of our patients leaving the state of Florida. That was a week before the hurricane. Irma was our reset button.
Yep.
Our practice has turned into not just a thriving physical therapy practice, but we also do athletic performance and athletic recovery services, as well as the addition of diagnostics into our practice. Those three separate entities has allowed us just to expand and persevere and I think pioneer.
Congratulations to the HODS 2019 Practice of the Year Award winners, Doctors Angie and Joe McGilvery of Apex Physical Therapy and Diagnostics.